What is up, YouTube? This is Chris Soak, here to show you my last and final stash before the 4th. It's 2 days before the 4th. Just want to say, have a safe 4th. First off, we have Blooming Magic. Had 2 of them, but I shot one off tonight. It's a real nice mine effect with big breaks. Next, I have some crazy robots. Then Zombie Revenge. You know what these are. And then we have these cakes. Earth Shaker, 9 shots. There's the performance right there. You have a nice rack. There's the performance right there. And Skybuster. There's the performance. And last but not least, this big boy. At least 60 pounds. Humongous cake. 180 shots. Big deal. I haven't seen this video yet. I've seen these, but I'm looking forward to this one. This will be part of the finale. I will probably light this one off. All 3 of these. The MILF and the Boardwalk Empire. And probably Cracking Crescendo all at once. Just a bunch of Universal going all up at once. But this will be my final stash of this year. Stay safe out there. Have fun. And I'll see you guys next year. Thank you.